Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to introduce you to my advanced custom Elementor countdown widget that seamlessly works with both Elementor Free and Pro versions. Before you skip this video, let me tell you that this powerful widget is packed with cutting-edge features and functionalities that you would not find in the native Elementor countdown widget. In addition to its two different styles and ripple animation, this widget is equipped with advanced features like auto midnight reset, custom reset interval, and fixed expiry date. With the unique auto reset interval feature, you can create a continuous sense of urgency for your visitors, and the captivating ripple animation will surely grab the attention of your viewers. So, without any further ado, let's see how you can download, import and use this widget on your website. To add this widget to your Elementor editor, you will be required two things: the Unlimited Elements free plugin, which works with both the Elementor Pro and Elementor Free versions, and the widget itself, which you can download from my Gumroad shop for just $6.99. Folks, if you want to save even more on my already affordable widget, then here is exciting news for you. If you watch the entire video without skipping, you will discover a 10% discount coupon code that you can use at my Gumroad store. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Head to my Gumroad store now and take advantage of this unbeatable deal. Once you will complete your order, you will receive a zip file containing another zip file of the widget itself, and a README instruction manual. To import the widget into your WordPress website, first, extract the downloaded zip file to any location on your computer. However, make sure not to extract the widget zip file itself. In other words, it is crucial to import the widget zip file directly without extracting it. Now, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure that both Elementor and the Unlimited Elements plugin are installed and activated. You can install these plugins from the WordPress plugin repository. Next, hover over the Unlimited Elements and click on the Widgets option. Now, the Unlimited Elements plugin comes with dozens of free and pro widgets. You can install free widgets without making any purchase. However, please note that all custom widgets listed on my Gumroad shop, including this countdown timer widget, are based on the free version of this plugin. Therefore, you don't need to make any additional purchases to use them. Before importing your custom widget, you'll need to create a new category. To do this, simply click on this plus button, then type the category name, and then click on this button. To import a new widget, just navigate to the newly created category and click on the Import Widgets button. You can then either drag and drop the widget zip file or double-click to locate and attach the widget zip file from your computer. Finally, click on the Import Widgets button to complete the import process. That's all. Your countdown timer widget is now ready to use on your website. To use this custom widget on your Elementor editor page, simply go to the page where you want to add this timer. Next, search for Flash Timer in the widget search field. Once you find the widget, drag and drop it into the section where you want to add it. To customize this widget, go to the Content tab in the Elementor editor. Here, you'll find several options to customize the widget, which I'll explain one by one. In the General section, the first drop-down allows you to choose between two different styles. The default style is a normal style, while the second option is a calendar flip type animation style. As for the remaining settings in the General section, they are related to this ripple animation. Feel free to explore them as you wish. Next, in the Ending Time section, you will find several settings, but the first drop-down setting is very crucial to understand because actual countdown behavior depends on this single setting. For instance, by default, the auto reset drop-down will display no, and your countdown timer will expire on the date you enter in these settings. However, by selecting midnight in the auto reset drop-down, your countdown timer will continue counting until local midnight, and will automatically reset at midnight. This feature allows you to create a sense of urgency that continuously resets every day at midnight, encouraging your website visitors to take immediate action. This continuous resetting strategy can lead to higher conversions and increased engagement, making your countdown timer even more effective in driving customer action. Choosing custom from the auto reset drop-down provides you with the flexibility to set a specific reset interval for your countdown timer. This means you can customize how frequently the timer resets according to your specific needs and marketing strategy. Whether you want the countdown to reset every few hours, days, or any other time frame, the custom reset interval option allows you to tailor the countdown timer to align perfectly with your campaign objectives. When using the countdown timer with the midnight or custom setting, keep these two important considerations in mind. First, ensure to choose Yes from the Auto Refresh drop-down if you want your countdown timer to automatically restart without requiring a page refresh. This feature is particularly useful when utilizing the midnight and custom reset settings. Second, when using a custom reset interval, it's crucial to set the target date in the past. For example, if you want your countdown timer to reset every Sunday at 6 a.m., select Weekly from the Reset Interval drop-down and set the ending time to 6 a.m. on any past date that fell on a Sunday, such as the previous Sunday before the current date. A crucial point to remember is that if you set the ending time of the countdown timer in the future, it will not reset at the specified interval until the ending date and time have passed. Therefore, it is extremely important to ensure that the timer's functionality aligns with your desired settings and the intended user experience. Moving on to the level section, you have the flexibility to modify the text level of your countdown timer. In the main container section, you can set the alignment of the countdown timer, as well as customize the background color, padding, border radius, and box shadow of the main container. Next, in the counter box section, you have the ability to customize various aspects of the counter boxes, including the box shadow, border radius, paddings, gaps between two boxes, gaps between numbers and levels, background color, horizontal line thickness, horizontal line color, and minimum width of the counter boxes. Next, in the typography section, you can further customize the font and color of the different text levels of your countdown timer. This allows you to achieve the desired visual text style and ensure that the countdown timer seamlessly integrates with the overall design of your website. Finally, in the advanced section, you will find a Need Help link. Clicking on this link will take you to the same page where I am demonstrating this countdown timer widget. This page offers a video tutorial for the widget, a live demo, and the option to purchase this widget from my Gumroad shop. You can also browse my other Elementor custom widget products, which are based on the same plugin called Unlimited Elements. Thanks for watching. Folks, I just wanted to let you know that it took me almost 15 hours to create this video for you, so please like and subscribe, it will only take you 2 seconds. Lastly, if you have any questions or encounter any issues with this Elementor custom widget, please leave a comment below, and I will do my best to assist you. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.